Sina, we will give you the access of the Marketing Cloud tool, okay?
Yeah.
For your practice.
Mm-hmm.
One more thing, Asina, do you have access with you, or you want us to give you access? We will give you access, okay?
Yeah, I will
For
need
the Marketing
access.
Cloud.
Yeah.
We will give you, because it's a paid one. We have already purchased, okay, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. At the beginning, we will go at a very less pace. We will not in hurry.
Yeah.
Whatever schedule, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you know something, but we have some fixed schedule, right? We will follow that schedule also, okay? Right?
Yes.
We will not cut any.
Okay.
All right. So now let's start. First of all, let me introduce you about the basic course curriculum.
Mhm.
What we will learn inside this particular course. So let's discuss about introductions and overview. So in this particular course module, I will start from the module number 1, that is data and subscriber. In this module, I will cover the data models. What are the different types of data model? That is list, data extension, and contact builder.
Yeah.
Inside the second module, I will cover from the scratch creating content, basically the content builder, like you have already worked on that content builder. On the third module, we will learn how we can send the emails, how we can test how we can test our email says ready to use, if the email is like a best deliverable. Okay, email will not go to the spam and etc. etc. On the fourth module, we will cover the segmentation. In this particular module, we will learn the SQL as well. Okay.
Okay.
In the segmentation module, we will learn the SQL as well, because we will create a filter data extension here. Might be you have heard the concept of the filter data extension.
Yeah.
On the fifth module, we will start from the automation studio. Then we will, after covering the automation studio, we will cover the journey builder.
Okay.
And sixth module is the summary part. Inside the summary, we will cover miscellaneous topics, like we can say contact builder. Okay, like this way, there's some topics which we will leave in all these modules. We all will cover in the summary module.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions from me?
No.
Okay, so now let's start our first module, that is data and subscribers. I will send you this.
And one more thing, we will focus on SQL also, right? I know SQL is important for you. So when we reach the SQL, we will give you different scripts to how to run the scripts of SQL in a Marketing Cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Yep. And I will give you this PPT and notes and everything assignment. Okay.
Okay.
And I will give you the assignment on the daily basis, so you can do by your own practice.
Yeah.
Now let's start the first module, that is data and subscribers. Now we have three kinds of data models in the Marketing Cloud. First one is your list data model. Second one is your data extension data model. Third one is your contact builder data model. List data model, data extension data model, contact builder data model. Do you have any idea about these data models?
Just data extensions I was using in my previous job the most.
Yep. And about contact builder?
No, I personally was not using contact builder, because I wasn't making the data extensions. So yeah, if we could run through all three.
Okay, fine, got it. Yeah, I know basically we only use data extension data model because it's the more powerful and dominating data model as compared to list.
Yeah.
But because we are learning from the scratch, so we will cover each and everything. Okay, I will guide you. Now let's start list data model. But before explaining list data model, let me introduce you some of the keywords and topics.
We are recording the session.
Yeah, we are recording the session. Okay. The first one is subscriber. Who are the subscriber? So basically a subscriber is a person in the Marketing Cloud who has opted in to receive emails, right? The subscriber is just like a normal customer who are receiving the emails. Let us say you are receiving the email on a Gmail inbox, like from the company like Amazon or LinkedIn or wherever you are receiving the emails, right? So basically, you are the subscriber of that particular LinkedIn company.
Yeah.
Similarly, if we are sending the email to any of the customers, so they will become our subscriber. Okay.
Mm.
And what are the different data sources there we can get our data in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud? So we have some data sources that is through some external website. That means with the help of some integrations, we can get the data from the external website to our Marketing Cloud, right? And I will let you know in the automation studio that how you can connect our Marketing Cloud tool to the external system. But through some internal integration that is a part of the coding, we can connect our external website to our Marketing Cloud. So if they are if they query anything, if they are querying anything on the external website, the data will be subscriber data will be created in the Marketing Cloud. Second one is point of sale. Do you have any idea about the point of sale?
Is that when someone makes a purchase?
Yeah, exactly.
And
Someone make a purchase on the store, right?
yeah.
Suppose you're going for the purchase of any superstore, or might be suppose any of the brand. So what they will ask, they will always ask our mobile number and email ID. So after that, they can send the marketing notification, right? Like some offer notification, like today is Wednesday, so you have 10% off in this particular this brand and this product. So like this way,
Yeah.
we can get the subscriber data from point of sale as well.
Yeah.
Web analytics. We can analyze based on the subscriber behavior that we will learn in the module number 3. This part web analytics I will cover in the module number 3. So in this particular web analytics, we can analyze the based on the subscriber behavior, and we can get the subscriber data. Okay, like what is the requirement of the subscriber, what is subscriber basically they are used to it. We can analyze the subscriber behavior and we can get the subscriber data. Moreover, we can get the data from Sales Cloud and Service Cloud.
Yeah.
They are part of the Salesforce CRM. We can get the data from Sales Cloud and Service Cloud into our Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Yeah.
If you notice here, Hasina, that this is bi-directional, right? That is not unidirectional, because everywhere we can get the data in the Marketing Cloud, but if we want, we can send the data from Marketing Cloud to the Salesforce CRM as well. Okay. And if I want, I can get the data from Salesforce CRM to Marketing Cloud tool.
Yeah.
Have you ever used the Salesforce CRM tool?
I've used Sales Cloud before.
Okay, Sales Cloud. Huh? So I think you can correlate.
Yeah. So when you get like inbound lead, you can send the marketing emails if they're created like a opportunity to keep tabs on how many.
Exactly. We can connect
Well, what email
opportunity object,
communication
account
has been.
object.
Yeah. Objects. Yeah.
We can connect opportunity object, account object to our Marketing Cloud.
Yeah.
And then wherever, if they store their record, so we can get the data inside our Marketing Cloud as well.
Yeah.
Next one is Profile Center. Profile Center is a form page that user can fill by default their name, email address, or their data, and we can get in the Marketing Cloud. We will learn Profile Center in more in this upcoming part. In this module upcoming, I will give you a brief introduction about the Profile Center. Right now, just remember Profile Center. Do you have any idea about Profile Center?
So that's information to do with the subscriber, not necessarily preferences like marketing preferences. This is just about them. So if they're updating emails, email address, phone number, that first name, last name.
Exactly. So the subscriber update their data by their own, right?
Yeah.
And where we got where subscriber can see Profile Center in the emails. Below the emails, there will be a link Profile Center. I will tell you later on. The below the link, if the subscriber they click on the particular link, so we can get the data of the subscriber.
Yeah.
CSV file. It is same like a data loader if you have learned data loader in the Salesforce CRM. So with the help of some Excel CSV file, we can upload the data in the Marketing Cloud as well. Okay. If you have any external CSV file, if you have created any Excel file, or might be you're getting the Excel file from your client, so we can upload in the Marketing Cloud. Landing pages. We can get the data from landing pages as well. Basically, landing page means if you have ever noticed, might be you are browsing somewhere and there'll be some pop-up icons notification. If you particular click on that particular icon, so they will ask for your details. So if you fill their details, they will get their data, they will get your data, right? Similarly, you can connect the landing pages to the Marketing Cloud through the APIs. Okay. API, that is application programming interface. API, we can connect anything. Basically, external website, landing pages, API, all the same things. All are the same things. Okay. Because
how is external website different to landing page?
external website is like basically we can say Azure. If I talk about the any other technology, like if I talk about Azure, so we can say that is the external website. Okay. Landing page is just like a kind of advertisement.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, clicking from an advertisement goes to a
Exactly.
landing page, which then
Exactly.
you can collect this subscriber data if they sign up or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we all can do with the help of APIs.
Yeah.
That is application programming interface. And because it is a part, everything is a part of the integration. If you're connecting your Marketing Cloud tool to any third-party system, that is all come inside the API. That is all part of the integration. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, next is all subscribers. What is all subscribers? Let me explain you this. Do you have any idea about all subscribers?
Is that just your whole entire list of subscribers opted
Okay.
in?
Yeah. Let me explain you. Basically, all subscriber are the superset of your data models. Okay. Let's say right now I have 3 data models: list, data extension, and contact builder. All subscriber is the superset of my data models. Please pardon me for my writing because I cannot write it clearly with this pen.
So that's like a master list.
Exactly, that's like a master list.
Yeah.
Now let's say I do have a subscriber record in the list. Let's say my record is there, Sayyed. Basically, my name is Sayyed Kamran. Okay. Now, if you want, you can call me Sayyed, and if you want, you can call me Kamran. Whatever.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose in the data extension, your record are there in the data extension. Okay. And the contact bill, suppose Gaurav record is there.
Yeah.
Right. So if your record is there in the data extension, right? So in the list, we cannot able to see data extension record. Similarly, in the data extension, we cannot see the list record. But in the all subscriber, we do have all the records. Okay. In the all subscriber, we have the record Sayyed, we have the record Hasina, we have the record Gaurav.
Yeah.
That is, all subscriber is just a superset of your data models. Okay. Any questions?
So when if you're in a data extension and you receive an email, say it's for one particular marketing com, and you unsubscribe from there, you're only unsubscribing from that data extension, not all of the marketing comms. Because if you unsubscribe from all of them,
now
then
let me explain you unsubscribe concept.
Yeah.
Basically, we will cover unsubscribe in more depth in the module number 3, but you have asked the question, so let me explain you. If you're unsubscribing yourself, so you're not unsubscribing from the data extension or list. You're unsubscribing yourself from all subscribers. Okay.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if you're recording the list, if you're recording the data extension, or if you're recording the data contact builder. If any subscriber has clicked on the unsubscribe button, so they will unsubscribe from all subscriber. Okay. And if subscriber is not there in the all subscriber, so they cannot able to receive the emails.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good question. Now, next part. Master list of subscriber record for the account. That is the definition of all subscribers. Attribute. Attribute or fields are both are the same things. Okay. So if I talk about attribute, so we have 2 kinds of attribute in the list: profile attribute and preference attribute, right? Profile attribute means that the data about the subscribers. Preference attribute, we can check, we can give optional values and to check whether the data, we can give optional value to the subscriber to check their preference. Okay. whether they wish to receive the emails or whether they're liking their post or not, anything.
Yeah.
Basically, attribute are nothing but just a field. Subscriber key. What is subscriber key? I think you're already aware what is subscriber key. Subscriber key is the unique identity of any subscriber, right?
Yeah.
Subscriber key is not the same as your subscriber key is exactly same as your primary key. If you have any idea about the SQL, so subscriber key is exactly same as the primary key. It is a unique identity of any subscriber. Neither email address nor phone number is the unique identity. Only subscriber key is the unique identity of any subscriber. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we have multiple subscriber, we have let's say we have multiple subscriber with the name as Syed. So how can we identify whether the subscriber
email
is
address.
No, with the help of subscriber key,
Oh.
Hasina. This is the very important certification and interview question.
Mm.
How you can correlate how you can differentiate a subscriber? No. You can create multiple subscriber with the same email address. Do you know this thing?
Okay,
I think you're not.
yeah.
I think you're not aware, huh?
With the same email address.
With the same email address, you can create multiple subscriber, but not with the subscriber key.
Okay, yeah, because it's a unique key.
Exactly. Subscriber key is a unique key, or we can say unique identity. Okay. Let's say your subscriber is not an individual person. Let's say your subscriber is some business person. I'm just giving you an example, right?
Yeah.
Let's say they have multiple shops in the main same city, and your subscriber is a business kind of person. So all of their have the same email address and have the same mobile number, right? So how can you differentiate each subscriber based on the different location? You cannot differentiate. But however, we can differentiate with the subscriber key, because if you create any record, subscriber key is always be unique. I will tell you this practically when I will create record.
Yeah.
Now, this is all just the basic details. So what we have learned about subscribers, right? We have learned about all subscribers, then attributes, and then subscriber key. Now let's start from our first data model, that is list. So in the list data model, we can store the data about the subscriber. Okay. Let's start the default method of storing subscriber data in the email application. List require minimal configuration and setup. Okay. Now let's try to create the list. How we can create a list. So just go to your marketing cloud. This is your home page. Over on your email studio and select email. Go to the subscribers or a subscriber and select list. All right, these are some lists. Now, here on the right hand side, you can see there is a create button. If you click on this create button, we can able to create a list, right? But before creating the list, just do one thing, Asina. Just create your own new folder. Just right click on this root folder that is name as my list and click on new folder. Why I'm saying it? Just because this org is used by multiple candidates, right? Because we have purchased the org and we are providing to multiple batches. So like your whatever you will do your work, just keep it in your folder. Okay.
Yeah.
It will not make a chaos.
Okay.
So right click here. Let's say I will give the name as or it's hand on. Just a minute. Let me do one more time. So, Sina, you're from Saudi Arabia, right?
No, I'm Indian.
You're Indian.
Yeah.
Okay. So, like, where are you from?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay. So, where are you in Saudi Arabia right now?
Okay.
No, I was asking because I think Gaurav told me.
Oh no, I'm in the UK.
Okay, you are in the UK. All right. So I think miscommunication some happens. So might be he was saying for some other candidate. So where in Gujarat?
Do you know the state Kutch?
Okay, because I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Okay, do you know? I'm from Lucknow, basically.
Oh, is that north?
Hmm?
Is that North India?
North India, right? You're from Gujarat and it's also North India.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Like northwest.
Okay. Do you know Lucknow?
I've heard of it.
Okay. Are you able to communicate in Hindi as well?
No, I can't understand Hindi.
Okay, I think you're living from your childhood from in the UK, right?
Yeah. I can understand Gujarati. I can't speak it very well.
Okay, you can just say Gujarati. Okay, let's try to create a folder. New folder. Let's say I will give the name as what is happening. Right now it is not allowing me to create a folder. Let us give a last try.
Yep.
Okay, it is not allowing me to create a folder this time. Might be some technical issue. So what I will do right now, I will just directly create the list, okay, for explaining you. But when you log in your org, just try to create a separate folder, right? Like as you
Yeah.
can see on the left hand side, there are so many candidate names like Deepika, Mumtaz, right? Naveen.
Yeah.
Rupinder. Okay.
There's a folder there.
Yeah, it's a folder. Yeah. Just give me a minute. It is now I can able to create. Let's say I will give the name as February batch. Now the folder is created. Now I'm inside the folder. Now how I can create a list? Just go to create button. Give the name. Let me just give the name as newsletter. Let me just give a meaningful and unique name. Newsletter 26 Feb. All right. Make this list as a public list. Click on this checkbox. Okay. External key leave as by default. Salesforce will create automatic generate your external key for the list. Description. If you want to give, you can give. If you want to leave blank, you can leave blank. But as a best practice, just give the description. Okay. because might be some another marketing cloud developer who's using the org, they can easily check why you have created the list with the help of description.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now I'm just leaving it by default. Location, it is automatically selected. Like this way you can check on the February batch. But if you want, you can change the location as well. Okay.
Yeah.
This public list concept, why I've created this public list, and what will happen if I don't set public list, and what happens if I am selecting this public list, right? I will explain this public list concept later.
Okay.
Click on save button. Now we do have created our list, right? Right now 0 subscriber is there because we haven't stored any of the subscriber. Just open your list. And you can check there here 0 item, that means 0 subscriber are there. Go to the properties and we can check again, right? This is my created date. This is my last modified date. List ID is generated Salesforce by default. What is the list number of unique ID? And external key, again, it is created by Salesforce by default. Okay.
Yeah.
And again, there's a public checkbox. I will explain tomorrow about the public. Okay. Don't worry, I'll explain tomorrow about this.
Okay. Yeah.
Now I think we don't have much time because this meeting will end, and right now I'm not using the paid version. Tomorrow we will connect and we will like speed up. Okay. And now let me explain you about my assignment.
Yeah.
Like today you have to do what you have to do, just try to create a folder and try to create a list, right? Today you have to do your assignment till 1-2. Okay. Create a newsletter list. And now don't do assignment from here. I will send a separate assignment Word file.
Yeah.
Open this Word file. And the assignment is very easy, Hasina. It's just like a spoon feeding. If you go to the assignment, see, you have to do assignment number 1-2, right?
Yeah.
Create a newsletter list. So check this out, the assignment. Navigate to list in Email Studio, right? In App Switcher, over on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, over on Email Studio, select email, right? Yes, over on the Salesforce Marketing Cloud and overall in Email Studio, select email.
Yeah.
Just check this how it's easy to create. Over on subscriber and select list. Over on subscribers and select list. Right? Click on create button. Click create button. Right? Like this way, in the name type this, public list type this. So that like this way you can easily able to do all your assignment, right? Not here in all the assignment, it's just like a spoon feeding, right? Where you have to click, where you have to go, what you have to give, right? Everything is there.
Okay.
And believe me, when you will do, there's a very lengthy assignment, not a small one. When you will do this assignment, complete assignment, so like you will be proficient in Marketing Cloud in all the modules.
Yeah.
That is my guarantee, right? But before doing the assignment, I will explain you how we can do in the, I will explain you in the class and what is the advantage, what is the flaws, and I will explain you everything about that particular topic. Then I will give you the assignment, okay? What you have to do, right? Now it's good. Any question about the regarding assignments and PPTs and about the session?
You'll give me the login for the
I will share the login credentials.
Salesforce. Okay.
Okay. I will share you in the chat box. Okay. I will give you the login credential of this particular Marketing Cloud org. Because that also we have purchased for just for the learning purpose, right? We don't, I don't suggest you if you're if you're working in the real project, so never use a Marketing Cloud org to like learn, right? Because that is a production org, as we know.
Yeah.
All right. Any question regarding today's topic? I think today's topic is like straightforward. It's an easy one.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Straightforward.
Right. From tomorrow onwards, we will like speed up and we will learn some typical things. Okay. Because today is just like a intro session, so like I don't want to like explain so many things in a first day.
Yeah.
So that's it. Let's connect tomorrow. Any questions, please ping me or ping Gaurav, right? We are here for helping you. Okay. Hello, I'm audible now?
Yeah, you are now.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So I was just saying, yeah. So let's connect tomorrow, right? If you have any doubt, any questions, you can ping me or ping Gaurav, and directly you can ping our group. We will help you. Okay.
Okay.
Let's connect tomorrow on the same time.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.